Mercedes EQA HVAC compressor repair kit use tutorial. The kit includes gaskets, O-rings, vortexes, vortex plates, and a small bearing. Let's start with the replacement. Use a No. 8 socket to remove the 6 screws on the upper cover. Take off the upper cover. Remove the gasket. Extract the vortex plate and take out the vortex. Remove the moving ring. Take out the small bearings, remove the counterweight, extract the wear-resistant plate. The disassembly of the upper part is completed. Next, we need to inspect the interior of the rotors and stators to see if they are worn. We need to remember the alignment position of the rotor bore. This will help with correct reassembly. Place a cloth on top. Then use locking pliers to pull it. Hold it in position firmly. And pull upward firmly to extract the rotor. Inspect the rotor and stator for any signs of wear. If there is no wear, cover it with the cloth again and again in the same way as we extracted it. We align the boring positions and insert the rotor back into the stator. Wipe the wear-resisting plate. Clean and place it back. Install the counterweight. Fit a new small bearing. Insert the moving ring into the slot of the new vortex. Install the new vortex. Install the new vortex plate. Fit the new O-ring and place the new gasket. Put the upper cover back in position. Tighten the upper cover screws. The HVAC compressor maintenance is now complete.